In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Wise Card PIN in just a few simple steps. Whether you've forgotten your current PIN or just want to update it for security, it's super easy to do using the Wise app. First, open the Wise app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on the Cards tab at the bottom. Select the card you want to change the PIN for. Now, scroll down and look for the option that says Change PIN or Reset PIN. Tap on that. Wise will send you a verification code, so check your email or SMS and enter the code when prompted. Once verified, you can set a new 4-digit PIN. Pick something secure but easy for you to remember. After confirming the new PIN, that's it. You're all set. Now you can start using your new PIN right away for in-store purchases or ATM withdrawals. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.